The door is opened. Wait, what's the sound? Hey, stop! Right there, stop! Last time, I fell into his traps. Slowly. I can't see anything. But I found something very important. This is a very important clue. This map is torn, but I can see something. Wait, this looks like the old barn. Near the lake? Yes, it's the old barn. 3 kilometers from here. This time, I'll be ready. I won't let him escape again. I'll need this. According to the map, I'm getting closer. Let me see. Looks like the old barn. Yes. There you are, the old barn. I'm close now. This guy won't escape today. The door is opened. What is going on? Too easy. Where is everything? This looks like an abandoned place. What a mess. What? The papers! My friend's papers! Finally! I found them! Wait, these aren't just any documents. They are property deeds for the farm. He's trying to steal the farm. I'll keep that. I'll give them back to my friend. Finally, I found my friend's documents. I need to keep them safe with me. What? What was that sound? Oh no. It trapped me again. Oh, I can't believe this window is locked. Another trap from this guy. This masked guy. I can't go out through here. Let me try this door. Oh no. Oh no. It's locked. This door is locked. I can't go out through here. Another locked door. Wait. What's the sound? What's coming out from the roof? Oh no. It's a gas. No. Oh, come on. I need to find another way out. I'm getting weaker. Come on. I must find a way out. And soon, because of that smoke, I will find something. Look! What is this? A hatch! I found it! This is it. I'm going in. I'll get out this time. This won't stop me. Let's go. I'm seeing some light. Fresh air. Finally fresh air. Finally some fresh air. Hey, stop! Right there, stop! Give me the documents. Give me the documents. Give me those papers. I need them. Oh, I can't see anything. What's this? Come back here. You can't run away. No, oh no. He escaped again. Oh, man. Wait. He dropped something. This looks like a wallet. Maybe it's a clue for me. Ah, an ID. Now I know who you are. You won't escape forever. I found his ID with a photo, and I got back the papers, the property papers from my friend. Here they are. Finally, I got them back. I will know who he is now. I found the documents.
Yes.
Finally, I found them all.
Oh, yes.
But there's a problem. He already filled fake deeds.
What? Call the police.
We will, but first I need your help. He dropped his wallet during our fight, and I found his ID with a photo. See if you can recognize this guy. Is this the guy with the mask?
No, I can't.
Okay, I see. His photo is damaged, but there's a name on it. A name on his ID, and I will research. On 4 men with his name in this region, the same name. One of them must be the guy with the mask. Look these photos. See if you can identify the guy. Look with attention.
No.
And this one.
No.
There is more too. See this one.
No.
This is the last guy. See if this is the guy with the mask.
Yes.
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 This is the guy?
Yes.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
His name is Carlos Mendes. 45 years old. His occupation. He's a banker. Why would a banker try to steal your farm?
I don't know.
There's more. His address. Look, the bank. Downtown. He's the manager. This is the bank where you have your loan. He's trying to steal your farm.
Oh no, what now?
He won't steal your farm. Not if I can stop him first.
What are you going to do?
The bank tomorrow. And I'm going to confront him.